How to buy CLAYIFY token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Found your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, don't forget and go engage with your community on X. As you can see, they have 172 members there. So as you can see, this token is available in the screener. It's created 6 hours ago and increased by 900% in less than 4 hours. Also, this token is running number 6 in this Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, I will show you how to do that. Just click here to copy the token address and open your function for that, as you can see. Now click here also and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on I understand. After that, you can type here how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. After that, click on pricing. Now click on provider and select Jupiter. Click on apply. Now go back and you will be able to see here swap. Now click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy CLAYIFY token, or CLAYIFY token, sorry. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.